Hey guys, hope you are good. So today I'm gonna teach you electrical circuit elements, that is RLC, and few more basic things. And I know once you understand the basics you will understand the coming topics easily. So first of all, what is current? The flow of charges are called or is called current. SI unit is ampere, denoted by A, and I is equal to Q upon T, that is flow of charge per unit time. Now resistance. It is defined as the opposing force in the path of flow of current is called resistance, and resistance is V upon I from Ohm's law. SI unit ohm, denoted by symbol this. Okay, now moving more deeper into the resistance, so R is directly proportional to L, where L is length of conductor. R is inversely proportional to 1 upon A, where A is area of cross section. Okay, now from both of these we will get that R is proportional to L upon A. Now removing the sign of proportionality, we will get R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is equal to or is defined as the resistivity of conducting material. Okay, now moving forward, now unit of R, that is resistance, is ohm, as I already discussed with you, and unit of rho is ohm meter. Okay, now Ohm's law. So Ohm's law is V is equal to IR. V, where V is volt, its symbol is V. Okay, and moving forward, I equal to V upon R, where I is current and its symbol is I and unit is ampere. Okay, we have few more equations of current in terms of power. P equal to IR, also P equal to V square upon R, and P is equal to VI also. Now moving to the last topic of our basics class, that is conductance. This is equal to or is defined as property of conductor to allow the flow of current. Okay, and this is denoted by G. Okay, so conductance is inversely proportional to resistance, implies G is 1 upon R. Okay, now moving forward, so we know that resistance is equal to rho L upon A implies G is equal to 1 upon rho L upon A implies G is equal to 1 upon rho A upon L, okay? And 1 upon rho is equal to sigma, and this is called conductivity of conductor, implies G is equal to 1 upon rho A upon L implies G equal to sigma A upon L. Okay, gentlemen, and the unit of G's unit is Simons, okay, and sigma is equal to G L upon A implies unit of sigma is equal to Simon per meter. Okay, so this is all about this topic, gentlemen. Hope you understand this concept. So please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share among your friends. If you have any suggestion and want any separate topic to be discussed here, do comment below. In our next video we will learn series combination and parallel combination. Thank you.